The noun 財産 is common in daily life, business, and inheritance topics. We use it when talking about houses, money, and things a person or company owns. 財産は暮らしやビジネス、相続の話でよく出てきます。家やお金、会社のものを話すときに使います。財産 means the valuable things you own, like money, a house, or land. It can also mean an important strength or benefit, even if it's not physical. お金、家、土地などの価値があるもののまとめ。人や会社が持っている大切なもの。時々目に見えない強みのことも指します。The first kanji means wealth or money. It often shows up in words about finance and things of value. Think of 財政 or 財布 to remember it. It feels like money matters. The second kanji means to produce or give birth. It appears in words about making things and industry. Remember it with seisan or sangyo. It feels like creating an output. I have a little bit of wealth. 私は少しだけ財産があります。私は少しだけ財産があります。I shared my grandfather's estate with my brother. 祖父の財産を兄と分けました。祖父の財産を兄と分けました。This house is my most precious possession. この家は私の大切な財産です。この家は私の大切な財産です。He lost his fortune in an accident. 彼は事故で財産を失いました。彼は事故で財産を失いました。The most common synonyms of the word are 資産 and 富。資産 is more accounting style and focuses on calculated assets. 富 is broader wealth, including richness in life, not just items. The most common antonym of the word is 負債. It means what you owe, the opposite side of what you own.